Want to create a super cool stacking cards scroll effect using only CSS? As you scroll down the page, each card sticks to the top and smoothly stacks over the one before it, creating a clean, modern landing page animation. And the best part is, there's no JavaScript needed at all. Let's get started. First, set up a simple HTML structure with just one section and a few cards. Add a section with a stack class, then place multiple articles inside it, or you can use divs with a card class or unique IDs. Each card should have an image and some content. That's it. Clean, simple, and easy to get started. Now, in the style.css file, I've added a few basic styles we'll need for the layout. Now you can see the result. All the content and images are showing properly on the page. Now here's where the magic begins. Set the card width to min 950 pixels, 80%, and the height to 580 pixels, then center it with margin, 0 auto. Add border radius, 30 pixels, and overflow, hidden to keep the design clean and smooth. At this point, the image should fit perfectly inside the card. Next, create the stacking effect by adding an animation called stack with a 1-second duration, linear timing, and both as the fill mode. Then define the keyframes. At 0%, keep everything normal. At 35%, move the card down, push it back in 3D space, rotate it slightly, and scale it down. At 70%, adjust the position and scale a little. Finally, at 100%, return everything to normal. This adds depth and smooth motion. But even with the animation, the cards still aren't stacking yet. So let's fix that next. To fix this, the most important step is position. Sticky. Sticky keeps each card locked to the top of the screen. Set top, 40 pixels, so every card sticks with a little space, and as the next card scrolls in, it pushes the previous one to create that smooth stacking effect. To add clean spacing, give each card a unique index and use top with calc. This adds small gaps so you can see the cards behind. Next, the keyframes add motion and depth. But to make the cards feel truly 3D, set perspective, 1,200 pixels on the parent container, and transform style, preserve 3D on each card. Now connect the animation directly to scrolling using View Timeline. Add View Timeline name and View Timeline axis to the stack class. Then set Animation Timeline and Animation Range, so the animation follows the scroll instead of time. This makes everything look smooth, natural, and layered. Finally, style the content. Set the image to 100% width and height with object fit. Cover. Style the info section with position, absolute and inset. Auto 000, add full width, padding, a dark gradient background, and a backdrop blur for better readability. Adjust the text size, lower the paragraph opacity, and add smoother rounded corners for a clean, modern look. And that's it. A fully interactive, scroll-driven stacking cards animation built with pure CSS.